I think we're going to do really good. Orlando Bennett, he ran very close to his PB. His season best is very close to his PB. So I think his PB is 13:10, thereabout. Yeah, so I want him to go out there and, the same way he came at trials and say, okay, I'm going to make it to Tokyo. I want him to go out there, execute his race and hit his strong point, which is the first 3 hurdles, and just get going. And he can definitely make it to the finals. The other competitors that we have, I think Tyler Mason is ranked 20th right now. It's gonna take something out of Tyler to make it to that finals.
And
but
Prince?
I think Prince is also good. I think his PB and season best is 13:11. So yeah, I see him doing some damage as well.
Yep. When you're looking at the national championships, what are your thoughts, Daniel?
It's a changing of the guard situation. Over the past couple of championships, we've had Broadbell and Parchment, and back in 2017, McLeod.
Yep.
Yes. We're not coming into this meet with any medal favorite. We're not coming in with anybody in the top 8 times. And so in terms of our chances, it's going to take the athletes really just trying to rise into the occasion. If they have that in them, if they show up race sharp, hurdle efficient, and are able to get close to their personal best times, then yes, they can advance. But they have to show up. They have to rise to the occasion. They're not in the top 8 when you look at
You don't sound very confident that they might advance. You don't sound very confident that they might.
From the first round, definitely.
Yeah.
But to get into the final, Bennet was in the Olympic final last year. And Prince was in the World Indoor Final this year. So two of those guys have had a taste of world finals. So it's not out of their scope. And Tyler Mason was a junior senior silver medalist at the World Juniors. Mm-hmm. So they're all familiar with the world system at some level and being finalists and medalists. But in terms of just the times that they've produced this season, it's going to take, a stepping up. They have to bring their A game.
Yeah, definitely.
I agree.
It's gonna take some stepping up for you, because this event is also another cut-short event, and you can't go out there saying that, all right, I'm gonna try to take it easy. If you have to run your finals from the heats, that's what you're just gonna have to do, because the aim is to qualify. Once you're in the finals, you can do what you need to do. And with Orlando, especially with him, I know that his first 3 hurdles, he's very quick there. But I think going into his 6th and 7th hurdle is where his issue is. So if he can get that correctly, he can definitely pull an upset.
You don't have a medal in this race?
No, I don't, but I would love if he pulls an upset.
And put you to 15. You don't have a medal in it.
I do not.
Yeah. Neither do I, actually. I don't know why. I'm not an analyst, so it don't matter whether I have it or not. But that's 110 hurdles for men, because it's 110. And we do have 3 athletes there, as we do with the women, 100 meters hurdles for the women. And Javoy said we might get 2 medals there. I think we will get one. What do you have?
I have 1, but we can get 2.